Meaning of inactivity.
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 Inactivity. Inactivity refers to a state of being inactive or not taking part in any physical or mental activity. It can have negative effects on one's health, including weight gain, decreased muscle strength and endurance, increased risk of chronic diseases such as diabetes and heart disease, and poor mental health. Prolonged periods of inactivity can also lead to lethargy and a lack of motivation. To avoid the negative consequences of inactivity, it's important to engage in regular physical activity and mental stimulation, such as exercise, hobbies, and social interactions.